Hi, I'm Kathy Libby and I'm from klibbyphotos.com and I'm here with another quick photography tip for you. When out taking photos, consider not shooting your images with the sun behind you. Usually you want to have some shadows and highlights on your subject. Shooting with the sun behind you, in other words, directly hitting your subject, will make your photos become boring and flat looking. Instead, try shooting with light coming from the side, referred to as side lighting, or with light coming from behind your subject. This will create a rim of light around the subject or even cause it to be in silhouette. Backlighting or side lighting create shapes and more compelling photos. Try to take notice of the way light plays on your subject to create highlights and shadows the next time you go out to shoot. This has been another quick photography tip for you.